We go, doing a little transfer of energy type deal, water catch. Got the jugs lined up, and you're gonna see how quick this one stops. And we'll take a look at the bullet afterwards. Again, this is a water catch, 7.62 Wolf ammo, soft tip, 124 grain. Damn sure opened her up. Alright, here we go. Got one jug over there. Got two. This is another way how we smoky oak pressurized cleaning system of your shooting range. Got another one right here. Looking like we might not have caught it. This is the third one that we had. So we got jug, jug, jug. Went in, and it did a good little turn. Coming out, went in there, coming out there. And what I'm figuring is at that point the bore was opening up, came out, hit. We have a hole back here, it's sideways, bullets already turned. And at that point it basically just rode right by the other. I'll be damned. Yeah, we do got a hit. So, yeah, barely a little hole. Make sure there ain't nothing in there, because guess what? I can reuse this jug. So yeah, we got a bump right here. That's the way it was sitting. So I'm guessing as it was opening up, it opened up and just scraped right along. Just looking right along the edge and went on out, kept going. So there we go. Didn't catch it, but that's how it goes a lot.